Retraction. You hear about it every time stringing comes up. Guides, calibration tests, tuning advice, everyone has a setting. What does it actually do? Most people think it pulls filament back out of the nozzle. That's close, but it's not actually what's happening. Moisture, partial clogs, temperature, and material condition can all make stringing worse. But underneath all of those is pressure. And that's the part we're isolating today. Most people think retraction works by physically pulling molten plastic back out of the nozzle. Sounds logical. That's not what's actually happening. What retraction is really fighting is stored pressure. The filament is pushed into the melt zone, created by the heater and stabilized by the heat sink, a system we've analyzed in detail before. As the filament softens in the melt zone, the solid filament above continues driving into that pool, increasing pressure at the nozzle. That pressure has only one exit, the nozzle opening. You can model this system as a spring. When you extrude, you're compressing that spring. You're storing energy in the system. Pressure builds inside the melt zone. And when motion stops, that energy doesn't disappear instantly. When you retract, you're not vacuuming the molten plastic upward. You're decompressing the spring. You're relieving stored pressure before it can push plastic out. That's why retraction works. In this illustration, there's no retraction before the nozzle moves to the new location. Notice the spring is still under tension when the move begins, and the pressure is escaping the nozzle during the move. A string is released during this move as a result. In this example, we retract a bit just before the move starts. This allows the pressure to be relieved and makes stringing much less likely. Not impossible, though. Retraction's not the only solution for stringing, but it's certainly pretty high on the list. If pressure is the problem, why not just retract more? Because retraction is reactive. It responds after pressure has already built. If you retract too much, it changes the problem. Pulling softened filament up into the nozzle can make restarts inconsistent. Pull it back even farther, and you start dragging hot material toward the extruder, increasing the risk of heat creep, grinding, and clogs. Retraction isn't pulling filament back. It's relieving stored energy in a pressurized system.
Retraction, baby, stringing it back, feeling that pressure rise and fall off the tracks. Pull a little plastic, let the flow relax, ease that molten